honorable chairs, esteemed delegates of the Russian Federation and China, dear guests, and the rest of you, hello. If you do not want to hear the truth, plug your ears right now. You are sick and tired of the lectures of the West regarding human rights practices. Who are they to tell us that we are the epicenter of human rights abuses? Is the Guantanamo Bay in the DPRK? No. Do we shoot innocent immigrants trying to cross the border? No. Do we attack Muslim countries because of their oil? No. Okay, now you can listen again. So, what we need is an alliance of credible member states that are loyal to the true values of human rights. Our supreme leader hence suggests a United Nations Legion of the Loyal, short UNLOL, as a counterbalance to the hypocritical West. Just as once upon a time, the superior species, Homo sapiens, replaced the inferior Homo erectus, so shall we, together with our allies, replace those who currently set the standards. Join us to become the Homo superiors. Thank you.